my goodness, look at that.
Die klok die kan er toch op.
Here we are in Benno's house. Benno Bellers, my friend from Venezuela, Margarita Island. Crazy man. Yeah man, we came here straight to make a fire. Where's the barbecue? I don't know. And we're in the middle of the way. Hello Stephanie. Digital zoom. Okay. Digital zoom. No, I don't need digital zoom. Well, this is Benno. Super tall Benno.
Vicky.
Oh, how nice, mate. How lucky we are.
Ja, allemaal hier nog. We burn everything.
What's that?
We burn everything.
What do you mean? Oh, you're burning everything? Beautiful, mate. Wow, look at that. Beautiful.
Always nice fire.
Here we are. The whole clan.
The whole clan, yeah.
The whole clan in the Netherlands.
You can see us.
Netherlands people. Here we are.
And now we see how old you are.
Whoever who miss it, miss it. You're not gonna get it. Woo! Fire! There you go. Right, here we are in Haaksbergen, Bokkelo. Bella's look, beautiful saloon. Beautiful place. Amazing. Right, it's good to see my friend Benno. I need the fuel. Need to put some fuel and stuff. Don't know what happened with the bike and the battery, but I think they're not working very well. Off-road. We're going now. Yeah, that's why the navigation is trying to take me to the other way, because this road is not very good. Yeah, good enough for the bike, but I mean it's not brilliant. This is Bokkelo and Haaksbergen nearby. And now we got the normal road. Left. Así que si hay gente en la zona que necesite un garaje y quiere una persona que lo atienda excelentemente bien, I'm the right track, I hope. Todo el mundo anda en bicicleta, porque es super plano. Super plano, it's very flat. Look at the little horses, wow, sweet. Lots of horses, the farm and stuff in here, what a night. Beautiful horses, qué lugar tan bello, qué lugar tan hermoso. Muchos caballos ahí, materialmente. Este bosque, bueno, esto es una maravilla. Una maravilla. Es muy bello. La velocidad aquí no hay velocidad. Pero estoy muy rápido. Es un kilómetro, acuérdate. Wow. Qué belleza esto. No, vamos a Haaksbergen going to the shop of my friend. He's a body car repairer. Es un latonero, pero un latonero súper profesional, con un garaje espectacular materialmente. este bosque, pana, esto es una maravilla. Una maravilla. Es muy bello. La velocidad aquí no es velocidad. Pero estoy muy rápido. Es un kilómetro, acuérdate. Wow. Qué belleza esto.